What's up, YouTube? Captain Jojo here from Captain Jojo Eats, and today I'm gonna show you how to eat hamburgers and still lose weight and be healthy and still eat high protein. So today I got some hamburgers from In-N-Out. I don't know if you can see it. And basically, it's lettuce instead of buns, and tomatoes and beef. So you're gonna enjoy this. See, the trick to losing weight and eating good is speeding up your metabolism. When you eat a lot of bread and stuff like that, that slows it down. Who said that eating losing weight has to be boring or painful? You could, I eat better now than I used to do before, So you can have fun losing weight and eating pretty much what you want, but just knowing how to eat it. I'm eating hamburger, man. I used to be size 48 waist. I'm not 38. Oh, yeah, 38, 37. I'm still going. Still going. So follow me. We're gonna go on great food adventure. There's more to come, and I'm gonna help you guys out. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat my protein burger. I don't know if you can see it here, which is, like I said, beef, lettuce, tomato, onions. But yeah, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to teach you guys how to speed up your metabolism and lose the weight that you always wanted. Eating what you want to eat, but knowing how to eat it. I got the answers. Follow me, Captain Jojo. That's Captain Jojo Eats. Alright, subscribe, my friends. And let's go on beautiful adventures together. Join my team. And we're going to eat good, lose weight, stay fit. And the world is many possibilities. God bless.